Popongi and
Good
good morning
morning.
here in Rarotonga. This is day 3 and it's a bit of a wet day today. We did start the day with breakfast here at the Brew Grill restaurant and it looks pretty wet out there right now, but it doesn't matter because today we are going to be learning how to cook the Cook Islands traditional dish. It's called the Ika Mata, which is a raw fish served usually with salad or some root. So we got our chef here at the sanctuary. We're super excited, and this is where the setup is. It looks amazing. So today we are going to learn the Cook Islands' most popular dish. It's called the Ika Mata. I got Chef Tua, who's going to be showing us how to make it. It consists basically of like raw fish, salad, capsicum, onions, carrots. Also, the fish that we use is tuna.
Yes.
Sometimes Mali, and is it pretty much the main fish? Do you use trevally at all, or no?
No,
Not at all.
mainly.
So it's mostly tuna,
Yes.
and it's served between either with rice or sometimes they'll have
Yes.
it on taro.
Taro.
So pretty good. So we're about to try the Cook Islands' most popular dish. And one question: do they eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner any time of the day?
Here in the Cook Islands, it's a good meal for hangover.
Do you guys hear that? It's a good meal for hangover. So if I'm having a big night tonight,
Yeah.
maybe later today,
We go look for.
we're gonna look for Ika Mata.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time,
Thank
Meitaki.
you. Thank you
And
very much.
we're about to go try this amazing dish. Can't wait. It's gonna be our first experience. Thank you so much. Alright, so I guess this will be my very first time eating Ika Mata here in the Cook Islands. And what a way to do it here in the sanctuary. So Chef Tua definitely showed us all the ingredients that he uses, and the main fish is tuna, but you can use mali and other fish as well. But let's just go right into it. Looks good, the presentation looks good in the coconut. I'm not sure if they do that all the time, but here we go. Wow. I might start eating raw fish. It's that good. If raw fish tastes this good, I wouldn't mind it. So if you're coming to Rarotonga or the Cook Islands, you definitely have to make sure you try Ika Mata, which is obviously the most popular dish. And if you haven't tried it out, you should. Even if you don't like fish, give it a go. And you never know if you'll like it until you try. But at the same time, super glad that our Sanctuary Resort organized this for us. Super grateful for this experience. And again, here's another one. All right, so straight after a beautiful lunch that we had, we are here back at the Rarotonga Resort next to the Sanctuary, back
For
at the
our
activity.
next activity.
Yes, and what are we doing today?
Yes, we will be designing our own patio, which is a sarong. And I'm super excited.
And if you don't know what sarong is, it's technically a skirt, but you'll see more about it, and that's what we're gonna learn.
Cover up for when you go to the beach in your bikini.
Yeah. So unfortunately, the weather hasn't been good today. We're supposed to be due for a cyclone. That's why it's been super wet. But at least the fun never stops here because there is so much to do at the
There's
resort.
so many like activities and like itineraries you can do here as well.
Yeah.
Like each day when your room gets tidied up, the housekeeping will leave you like a newspaper
of
sheet,
what's on for
like
today.
one sheet, and yeah, there you can see what activities are on today, and you can like join or see and do.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. There's
And-
always a program here, and you never get bored.
That's right. And if you look behind us, we got the crab hunt and race, and then t-shirt, painting. I mean, they've already done the crab race. Look at it. They got a little scorecard or who's come first. It's crazy. But yeah, this is the Rarotonga Resort side, you know. You got the family pool and everything. It looks a little quiet today because it's raining. We were gonna do a guided snorkel tour as well, but the current was too strong. So yeah, we're just chilling out for a bit, and we're gonna be right into the room once it's all ready. Going to make a sarong. So, how you feeling today?
Really good. I'm very excited now for the sarong making or designing. And yeah, maybe we even do a hat as well. Let's see.
Alright guys, so we're making our next activity. Finally started. This is Karina painting her Hideout, which is like a sarong. So she's making, she chose the color blue because it suits. And over on this side here, Ash has chosen yellow. So if you don't know what Hideout is, or aka sarong, it's basically the woman's skirt that goes around, which is very, very popular in the Polynesian culture. So very beautiful, very colorful, very creative for what they're doing. It's amazing. You having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. Yeah, I like painting.
What are we gonna do? We're just gonna watch and be creative. Lady's smiling, that's beautiful. Alright guys, we made it to the last and final resort activity for today. It's still raining and we are supposed to get hit by a cyclone tonight, which is unfortunate. But luckily the resort always has so much activity. So the one that we're attending to right now is called the crab race. And a lot of people are putting bets on the hermit crabs and all. But no harm done, they're just coming here and then they're going to put them back in the sea. So it's all for fun and it is very entertaining to see. So let's go check it out.
All the way from Germany now. What I want you to do, you go to the middle, tell that young man to go away. I want you to sit on that butt.
So guys, that was the crab race. What are your guys' thoughts on that?
It was pretty funny. It was very entertaining. The crabs were huge, especially in the second race. Like, I was a bit scared for my feet. I don't know if they bite.
Yeah, that's
But
cool.
yeah, I was even allowed to sit on the bucket and open it, open the second race, which was pretty cool.
I'm gonna say the reason why she got chosen is because she stood out and she decided to wear her favorite color, pink. Probably the reason. And another cool thing is Ash here got picked up to blow one of those islander shell, what do they call it? Horns. She tried to blow it so many times but nothing came up. Luckily Sam here, I see him in the background going, woo!
Yeah,
good. What are your thoughts, man? Good?
Yeah, but I definitely recommend it. Like, it's really unique and it's really good that they organize really unique, get-togethers like this and events. Yeah, it was great. Crab nearly bit me. Yeah, because I was shooting from the wide-angle lens, and when I looked off the screen, I was like, "Ooh, it's right in front of me." Yeah.
Well, the crab definitely chose them. But today has been amazing. We really enjoyed it.
Sadly, we didn't win any money. We bet on the wrong hermit crab. So
Yeah.
Lazy crab.
Lazy crab. You know, the first winner of a crab was called Useless. Mr. Useless. He wasn't useless at all. He proved himself wrong.
But he was the biggest one as well.
Yeah, it's amazing.
He walks sideways.
So we're now having dinner and we're just going to end the vlog here. It's been a beautiful day. Sam was awesome. He did some singing with Daisy today at the kid garden place.
Drumming.
Oh, the drumming was good. I think he should stay here and work here. You know?
Yeah,
Entertain us.
Yes.
Are they
I
hiring?
might not come back, man.
Oh, amazing. Well, big shout out to Sanctuary for hosting us again, and at the same time we have a few more nights left here. We do have a cyclone coming, so you're gonna have to find out. We'll update you in the next vlog to see how that goes. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go eat, and good night for now. We'll see you in the next one. Woo!